Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market. Bitcoin still trading above $23,000. What's next for Bitcoin? We've seen Bitcoin starting 2023 on a very bright note, but right now we're seeing Bitcoin having a chill pill. In the last 3 weeks, Bitcoin has not been pumping as aggressively as we started the year. Bitcoin is still down 4.4% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, Bitcoin is just up 1.6%. But the big one is that on a yearly time frame, Bitcoin is still down 46.7%. So what's next for Bitcoin in the coming weeks and in the coming days? Sentiment in the market is neutral. The bulls and the bear are at lockheads. Who is going to win this battle? Bitcoin dominance is still around 43%. Are we going to see Bitcoin take a huge share of the market with Bitcoin dominance increasing to above 50%? Or will Bitcoin dominance in the market reduce and we'll see all coins pumping to higher prices? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin currently trading above $23,400. In the last 1 month, we've seen Bitcoin go from as low as $21,460 to as high as $25,134. Bitcoin's market cap is above $450 billion, and Bitcoin is still ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap. This is the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Bitcoin hits new all-time high in November of 2021, and since then, Bitcoin has been dumping to gobbling town. We have seen Bitcoin go through a very brutal bear market in 2022. Bitcoin has been dumping since the 9th of November 2021, and we finally found the bottom around the $15,400 region. Remember guys, there's no guarantees that that's the ultimate bear market bottom. Bitcoin can always come down and go below that $15,500 region. But right now, we've seen a rally from $15,500 for Bitcoin. That rally has taken us to as high as $25,000. But guys, is this rally coming to an end? Bitcoin was trading around $25,000 in August of 2022, and that was the end of the relief rally for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin heading back to gobbling town, even setting new lows, going below 17,600. That was the bottom before we first got to $25,000 in August of 2022. $25,000 is proving to be a very strong resistance level for Bitcoin to blast above. Right now, Bitcoin has faced rejection at that $25,000. We've seen Bitcoin start dropping back to gobbling town, even getting below $23,000. If we're getting to the end of this relief rally, if we see all coins start dumping to gobbling town, we might just see Bitcoin head back to below $22,000. We still saw Bitcoin this relief rally come back to test the $21,400 region. We've had a bounce off that level, but we're also still below $25,000. So right now, decision time for Bitcoin. Are we going to blast above $25,000, maybe towards $30,000, or is Bitcoin coming back to test the $15,000 region? It can go both ways. In the bear markets, you don't want to get carried away. Bear market rallies are designed to trick people to buy at higher prices, and then we'll continue dumping to gobbling town. Now, if Bitcoin is heading towards $30,000, we'll have to see Bitcoin pump by more than 29%. And if Bitcoin is heading back towards $15,000 region, we'll have to see Bitcoin also down by 29%. March is going to be a very important month for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can finally blast above $25,000, then maybe, just maybe, $30,000 will be on the cards. But guys, before we even get to $30,000, there's a very huge resistance waiting for Bitcoin around $29,000. Right now, at $23,400, Bitcoin is still up around 40% from $15,000. We might see Bitcoin ending the month on the red. We might see Bitcoin dumping to gobbling town very soon. But hopefully, we'll find support before we get to the $15,000 region. We still have another strong support around $18,600. Guys, you want to be buying Bitcoin and crypto when the market's in extreme fear? Right now, we're seeing sentiment in the market improve. The sentiment in the market is currently at neutral. The bulls and the bears are fighting really hard. Last week, we saw the market go towards some greed. That was when Bitcoin went towards $25,000. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $23,300. but sentiment in the market is still neutral. We want to know where Bitcoin will head next. If the bulls wins, Bitcoin will pump in above $25,000, maybe towards $30,000 for the first time in more than 8 months. But at the same time, if the bears wins, we might just be revisiting the lows we just left ending 2022. The dollar has been increasing. This is a metric I've been checking in this channel, the US dollar currency index. And we noticed over time that as the dollar is pumping to higher prices, we notice that crypto always dumps to gobbling town. And when the dollar starts dumping to gobbling town, crypto gets a little rally going. And maybe, just maybe, we're coming to that end of the rally because the dollar has started pumping to higher prices. We have seen the dollar from the 2nd of February around 100.88. We have seen the dollar rally up back to 105.43. And the dollar continue pumping to higher prices. That might just signal a huge dump coming in the coming future for Bitcoin. Take a look at total crypto market cap. We're still around the $1 trillion region. In February of 2022, when Bitcoin was around $25,000, we saw the total crypto market cap get to as high as $1.17 trillion. Right now, Bitcoin has gotten back to that level where we're trading in August of 2022. Bitcoin was trading around $25,000 there. We have seen Bitcoin go back to $25,000 in 2023. But total crypto market cap has not been able to reach the height to reach in August. So maybe, just maybe, we're getting to the end of this rally. The total crypto market cap has just gotten an inch above $1 trillion. We've gotten to as high as $1.1 trillion. Guys, if Bitcoin starts rallying towards $30,000, we might see the total crypto market cap head above $1.3 trillion for the first time since May of 2022. We're deep in the crypto bear market. On this channel, most of us are long-term investors. We don't want to get carried away by all the movements we're seeing on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. But guys, you want to accumulate wealth in the bear market. And right now, if you see a huge dump to gobbling town, that will be a very, very good time to accumulate more Bitcoins and more altcoins as we're getting ready for the next bull run. And Bitcoin dominance has been showing us that maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin is going to be taking a larger share of the market. If we see Bitcoin dominance heading to higher valuations, it might just mean Bitcoin will continue outperforming the rest of the altcoins till we finally see the bear market come to an end. In previous bear market, Bitcoin always outperformed altcoins. Will this time be different? If Bitcoin's dominance continues increasing, it might just mean Bitcoin is pumping harder than the rest of the altcoin market, or Bitcoin is not dumping as hard as the rest of the altcoin market, or maybe the altcoin market is dumping and Bitcoin is just staying stagnant. A lot of indicators are showing us that Bitcoin dominance might increase to higher prices very, very soon. Bitcoin dominance has been stuck around the 48% region to the 39% region. At some point in time in this bear market, Bitcoin is going to make a decision. For us to pump above the 48% region, Bitcoin dominance has to increase by 9%. And if we're going back to the lows, Bitcoin dominance will have to drop by 10%. So a lot of decisions are going to be made in the market in the coming weeks and in the coming months. Bitcoin bulls and Bitcoin bears, one of them is going to take charge. And if you see the bulls taking charge, Bitcoin is ready to pump to higher prices. But if the bears start taking charge, guys, we might still be going down to gobbling town. We might still see Bitcoin trade below $20,000 in this bear market. And be careful out there, guys. A lot of people are getting liquidated. Over $16 million was liquidated from traders in the last 24 hours trying to trade Bitcoin. If you want to make money long-term in crypto, you have to be patient. You don't have to be rushing. You have to pay attention to what you're doing. You want to do the opposite of what a lot of market participants are doing. A lot of people start foaming when they start seeing higher prices. A lot of people start getting scared they might miss out on future gains. But remember, guys, you want to buy extreme fear and you want to sell extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? Do you see us blasting above $25,000 ending 2023 February on a very bright note? Or are we going to start March down in gobbling town? Because we've seen Bitcoin pump to higher prices. We've seen altcoins rallying. Right now, we're seeing another set of altcoins rallying. The altcoins that were not pumping as hard when Bitcoin was pumping earlier in the year. Is that just capital rotation in the market? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.